Well, good morning, Chopper 316 again. Well, we're on the final build. Took me about 3 days to make. I've pretty much finished all of it now. Just a few more accessories to make at some point. It's testing time. So for the first time you're going to see it, whether it runs or not properly. We'll have to wait and see. You'll see it for the first time as I'm going to see it. So first things first, I'll put a belt on. I have one over here. Now direction is that way. Okay. Okay. Now at the moment for my spring tensioner I've got a gas ram. I don't know whether it's going to work, if it works at all. We'll just have to wait and see. So I have a foot pedal on it for short bursts, you know, so you can just use it for short bursts, or I have a switch on it where you can have it running constantly. So we'll see how it goes. Just plug it in, switch it on, and with the foot pedal I'm just going to give it a quick flick to make sure the tracking's something like. Something not quite right with it yet. Very noisy. Let's try that one more time. Something mustn't be quite in the line. That's the belt, or let's see, belt tensioner. Let's give it another try. That wasn't very successful. I expected something like that to happen, but we'll see. It's a matter of aligning everything. That's a little bit better there. Not quite running through. All over the place. Okay. Very noisy. So it looks like we have a little bit of alignment to do. Not quite sure what's wrong with it, but we'll find out. So never mind, wasn't quite the success I thought it might be. I don't understand quite why it's doing that. Maybe the belt. I'll just try another belt just to see if it's something to do with the belt. Right. This is an 800 grit belt, quite a fine belt. We'll try this one, just for curiosity. See what what's wrong. Same again. Quick flick on the pedal. Something's not quite right somewhere. Check Check everything's tight. Oh, that's not tight. That one comes through.